Okay, testing. Am I audible? Am I audible? Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing great today. My name is Asim and I am a Gen AI learner who loves building things and exploring how AI is changing the way we create software. Today's topic is building and deploying with AI in minutes. It is the part 2 of the previous video. So let's continue with that. In this video, I will focus on the design principles and replicate the framework template in the Bolt AI web app developer to see how uh, good the Bolt software is. So first of all, we will start with choosing the design which we want to replicate. Let me, okay, my screen is visible. Okay, I think it is visible. Let me go to that screen. For the design aspect, I have chosen this design. Let me open it in a new tab. It is the home page of the website. I want to replicate, and here is the elements. Here is the second image. Here is the third image, and more from motion drops. Okay, if I may see a preview here, yes. Okay, here it is. It is a beautiful website. I would take some screenshot here. Try to replicate this in the bolt. So the first thing first is copy the layout. Let me save it. I will save it in the E folder, new folder, deploy to save. I will rename it by one and okay. Uh, by mistake, I have paused the snipping tool. Now, here is the lower part of the website. So for now, I know it is kind of boring, but uh, to do some task by AI, you need to give it a clear guideline so the AI will perform well. Okay, so I think yes, this would be the final screenshot. No, one screenshot is left. I will snip it out also and try to replicate this with you and see how easy it is to replicate any design from the website in today's world, and you can build a product upon it. So let me save it as well, and I will go down further. It's a quite nice design. I can buy that also, but when you make it for free, why to pay? By the way, this is copyright, but I don't want to publish it and deploy it. If I'm making it practically, I will take inspirations only and then try to merge multiple websites as a designer. When a web app designer starts creating or designing a website, he or she takes inspiration from beautiful websites, and then afterwards they start creating their mood board and start designing with it. So let me save it as well. For now we have 6 images, and we will try to give it to chat. By the way, I have given out the prompt as well to the chat, and now I need to upload only the images, and it will create a good prompt for me, and then I will give that prompt to Bolt Web App Builder and see how things goes. If something goes wrong, I will try to fix it. So dash photos, and I will go to P deploy 2, and I will upload these files here. Oh, it allows me to upload only 4, so I will upload 4. Okay, now I have given the design inspiration above. We need to call prompt upon it as we discussed earlier. Simple. Now we'll wait for the chat to give us a prompt, and then we will read that prompt. If something is missing, we will try to add it also here in the prompt. The better the prompt, the better the website and the design. Final bold prompt, framework design and replication. You are a, let me zoom it a bit so you can see it clearly. You are a senior front-end engineer and a UI implementation specialist. Your task is to recreate the provided framework-inspired website design with extremely high visual fidelity. This is a design replication task, not a redesign. Design fidelity strict rules. Replicate the design as closely as possible to the reference images. Do not change layout, structure, spacing logic, or visual hierarchy. Do not add creativity, redesign, or stylistic interpretation. Let me cancel it. Match proportion, margins, padding, alignments, and section flow visually 1:1. Overall layout structure. Clean minimal white background, SAS style layout, large vertical spacing between sections, centered content with a max width container. Okay. Clear section separation using white spaces, not dividers. Okay, page flow must follow this order exactly. Header, navigation, hero section, product dashboard preview, feature and card section, split content section, images left slash text right, integration and productivity section, design slash profile highlight section, pricing teaser and footer as well. Header slash navigation minimal, top navigation with logo on the left, navigation links aligned center right, primary CTA button, get a demo visually emphasized. Secondary CTA, by the way, CTA is the call to action. It is the short form for the call to action. Try for free, subtle stick or static header, no heavy efforts. Okay. Here's the hero section guidelines. Large headline with bold typography, highlighted keywords using accent lime green color, supporting subtitle below headline, lighter weight, two CTA buttons, primary and secondary, Left aligned illustrations character, right aligned product UI preview. Hero spacing must feel ARY and premium. Product dashboard preview. Rounded container, light border or subtle shadow. Table style UI with user avatars, status bills, colored labels. Monetary values must feel like a real SaaS dashboard. No fake gradients or heavy shadows. Feature card section. Three column layout. Each card includes small icons, short title, descriptive text. Cards have soft rounded corners, light border, white background. Hover state is subtle, slight shadow or lift. Split content section. Multiple section with side, left side, product UI image. Inside a colored container, line background. Right side text content with heading plus bullet features. Each features each feature includes icon, bold title, short supporting description. Maintaining Maintain alternating layout, rhythm and consistent spacing. Making yourself at home section. Okay, I think the prompt is great and I will try to create that website. Okay, important final note for bold. Okay, if you want, yes, I will start it from here and try to create that website here. I've told you earlier that my focus is only design for today, not creating an actual product, but I want to replicate that design. How uh, difficult it is to replicate a design from the external website which is created and developed by a designer or a web app builder. Okay, we will try to give the prompt here and click on the build now button. As you may see here is the button build now. Okay, so let us see how it gives us. By the way, this section on the left you can add upon uh, external features you wanted to add. If the website is not up to the mark and you want to make some changes to some elements or some areas or specific area, you can take a screenshot of it and then tell it to create that for you. It will respond you by the chat while developing it. Let me scroll down it a bit and you will see how it is creating that website. For now, it is creating base layout structure and design system. I have changed my mic as well, so the audio quality might be a bit good. If it is not, then please tell me. I will buy another mic for it. For now, I think this mic works better. By the way, I am using my laptop's webcam, which is not that good. I do have a webcam, but when I attach it to the laptop in the OBS, uh, it not responds the good. Uh, as I kept shifting my screens as well. So when I attach the webcam, when I shift the screens, it makes itself blank and start showing the blank screen. I've tried to fix it and watched several tutorials about OBS, but nothing was good at all to fix that problem. So for now, we are waiting for the board to give us some results, and I think it will do a great job. because I've developed several websites on the Bolt, Available, and the Google AI Studio previously as well. But for now, I'm using the Bolt because I know the Bolt. When it comes to design, Bolt plays good role. When it comes to the code side of the website, Lovable plays good role. When it comes to creating a full stack app, Replit plays a good role. By the way, these all products are the Gen AI products and built by Gen AI developers, obviously with the web tech as well. You will be seeing a low energy in me today because I am at the university campus and I've waken up earlier uh, in the morning, so I am a bit dizzy and you will not see energy in me today because I'm feeling asleep. My mind is sleepy. By the way, the bolt is taking time. I don't know why. The internet is not working, but I have checked the internet speed as well and it shows good results. I don't know why it is not delivering. Let us wait a bit more and we will start seeing it. Okay. Here are all of the tasks it did in the meantime. I'm not quite happy with the. Where is the screen? There's the code view, database, settings. I forget how to. Okay, I will zoom out it a bit now. That's will play a good role. Wow. So for the hero section, it played a good role. Here's the footer, product pricing, and everything. Let me see it in the preview mode. This is the preview mode, but why I want to do full screen. Yes, it is the hero section, it is the middle section, everything in one place. It followed it beautifully. The containers are looking great. By the way, I can give images to it to add it in these sections. In this left side, I don't know what to call it, but I can add images here. Collaborate in real time, track progress effortlessly, and the visual analytics and task tracking, custom use as well. Making yourself at home. Okay, this section is also great. Make better decision with real data. Get a demo and simple transparent pricing. Free 14 custom. By the way, I was discussing with my uh, brother about this app previously also, that how easy it is to deploy this system. In the event, all of the website was like this. You may have noticed them. I said you that building this kind of products is very easy in the world of AI, and I have developed it in several minutes. This is the product. I can add upon some images and I can submit it in there. So the features currently, okay, resources are working great, pricing, product, features, framework. But now the buttons are not working because I didn't tell the bolt to make that button clickable because I was focusing on the design only. If I gave it the prompt to make all the buttons actionable, and I want to change this image or this card in the hero section, I can do it surely. So for now, uh, let me see it in the responsive mode. This is the mobile mode, and here is the menu section. The mobile mode is also playing a great role here. Have a look. Okay, this is the full preview. This is, I would turn it off and see. By the way, if you want to deploy this app by yourself, this is the virtual environment created, the SRC. Also, you can take this code and deploy it in the GitHub, or deploy it in the cloud and publish it with your own hosting as well. If you want to deploy it here, you can simply click the publish button, pay some bucks, and your website will be published and anyone can visit it. By the way, for now, it is done, and let me enable the preview mode again. Later on in the videos, I will make some system, the backend with AI and the front end with the Bolt or AI Studio or Lovable. So I will create an engine at the back end, like a AI workflow, like sending emails, interacting with the chatbot, or creating some videos according to you, according to your needs. If I want to create a video on some specific task, or I wanted to create some UGC ads, I will create a backend engine for it in the N18 with no code, and from for the front end I will use the Bolt web app or Lovable. But for now, I wanted to show you guys that making products in the today's world is very easy and accessible to everyone. You need to know the right tools. For this, there are multiple websites which focuses on the new AI tools which are coming in the market, and you can definitely use them in order to make your work more productive and be ahead with the AI innovations and technology. Later on, I will focus on videos which are more product ready and more workable. But for this, I need to create some projects first, first as well. Then I will try to make a product around it. Like I will create a backend at the back in the N10, and I will create the front end here. And if you want to follow this tutorial, or if you want to create some product or learn something, you can definitely do it for free and develop your product and start your business or learning journey. For now, this was it, and that's a wrap up. So, I will meet you tomorrow with the new live stream with the new topic, explaining you something new and delivering good stuff to you guys. Okay, see you, Allah Hafiz.